What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you where you can buy meme tokens on Robinhood Chain. But before I show you how to do that, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So I'm going to show you a couple places. However, there are a lot more than that. We're just going to cover a few of them. So the first one, Uniswap. So first thing you need to do, just go to Uniswap and then get started. And then right here, just connect your wallet. Mine's already connected. And we need to switch chains. In here, we're going to be paying with the Robinhood Ethereum. And then we need to select token. So once you press on the select token, in here, we need to change the chain, Robinhood Chain. And then you'll be able to scroll down and find probably most trending tokens on a Uniswap. However, when you have a contract address, you can just paste it here and it's going to show up and you're going to be able to also trade that way. And I'll show you how to do that as well. So this is one of the ways. And then the second way, through OpenSea. Go to OpenSea.io, connect your wallet, and then in here, when you hover over, just press on tokens. On this page, just select Robinhood Chain. It's going to show you all the tokens on Robinhood Chain. What you can do, let's say, for example, we would like to buy GameStop or maybe something else. Just press on it. This is going to appear. And on the right-hand side, you can set the amount, how much you're going to buy with. Let's say in my case, $0.0178. And this is how many GME tokens I will be able to get. And then just press on buy and they're gonna appear in your wallet. And there's also two other platforms. One of them is this one right here, Hood.fun. This is like a launch pad and they have many different tokens, the ones that are coming out, the ones that are already out. So in here, let's say Hood Dodge, this is the one you would like to purchase. You just open it up. Either you can sign up here via MetaMask and you can purchase through the Hood.fun, or you can copy the address and then go back to Uniswap, press on select token, paste the address here, token is gonna appear, and you can just buy that same token via Uniswap because this is the aggregator or this is the DEX it's using. And then the last place is Noxo.fun. So right here, same thing. It's a launch pad and you can find all the trending tokens, newest tokens, oldest, high market cap, all-time high, volume, graduated, and much more. We're not going to go into details, but it's pretty much the same process. Like for example, CASHCAT, that's the biggest meme right now. So right here, what we need to do, just connect wallet. And I'm going to be using MetaMask, connect. And right here, you're going to be able to swap to a CASHCAT. So for this video, I'm just going to press on 50% and I'll be able to get 15.7 CASHCAT tokens and then swap. MetaMask is going to appear right here. We just need to press on confirm and that's it. Transaction is confirmed and we have CASHCAT tokens in MetaMask wallet. And when you open up your MetaMask, right here, you're going to be able to see your cash token in MetaMask wallet. And this is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to buy meme tokens using various platforms on Robinhood Chain. And just be careful when you're investing into meme tokens. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.